to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon and I am with Anton today, my husband's son. And Anton is a dancer and also a yoga teacher. And today we're preparing for our Christmas dinner and we're making it Greek way.
Greek Christmas. Opa!
Yeah! And so today just a quick one because we're preparing the tzatziki that's gonna go with the lamb. And so tzatziki, it's much better to make it a couple of days ahead.
Okay, great.
Okay, because it's got lots of garlic and we want all the taste to
The
develop.
flavour of the garlic to move through.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And tzatziki, don't buy that in the
No,
already
no,
made.
no.
It's so easy to make yourself, so easy, I'll show you. And it takes no time and it's so much better when we make it.
Okay.
So what we need is we need garlic, lots of garlic. We have 3 cloves of garlic here.
Three.
Three.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 small cucumber. I like the Lebanese one because they have less seeds inside.
And they're quite crunchy,
They're
I
more
find.
crunchy.
Really crunchy, yeah.
Yeah, and of course we need yogurt
Yeah.
and none of that low-fat thing, please.
Okay.
No, the full. This is full milk, whole milk. I found even some that had like 5% fat.
Okay, great.
More the better.
Yeah.
And the Greek yogurt because it's firmer a little bit.
And the vegan substitute for this would be tofu.
And
Yes,
exactly.
just tofu, and there's some great recipes online.
So
But,
we could do everything the same
exactly the
except
same.
using tofu.
Use tofu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, there
Great.
you go.
Yeah.
Excellent. So so you want this to be quite firm. So with the ingredients, I'll take you through simple. But what we want to do is to go slow, and then we can add a little bit more
At a
of
time.
something
Okay.
because we don't want it to be runny. We want it to be firm. So let's start with the yogurt here.
Okay.
And
How many spoonfuls?
let's say I'll put half of this stuff.
Okay.
What is it?
It's 850 grams
Wow.
or 30 ounces.
Yeah. So I'll put about
400 grams are about
Yeah.
15 ounces in.
Yeah. So let's say a good 2 cups, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, small cups.
Or
Yeah.
even a little bit more.
I think that's great.
Yeah. So that much yogurt.
Ooh.
There you go.
Look at the texture. It's
Yes.
lovely.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. It's really firm. That's what I like. Now 3 cloves of garlic.
Straight in.
All in like
Yep,
that.
all raw, not cooked or anything.
No.
No, just raw.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Now.
Perfect.
Now, let me show you this cucumber. So what we do with the cucumber
Yeah, this one.
is, it has to be
Do you
grated.
need this cut it in half? Cut it
Well,
in half?
we won't do it
Oh.
because I've done it before.
Okay.
I'll show you what
So
I've
you
done.
pre-did it, yes.
Okay, so you would grate it, and I did that about a couple of hours ago.
Okay, yeah.
And I put it all in a tea towel, and you're gonna squeeze the juice out of that. It's all gone
making it
anyway.
dry, yeah.
So let me show you what happens. So you're gonna drain all the juice, and you end up with a little ball like that. This is 1 cucumber.
Wow.
Okay, so it's all here now.
It's like a dehydrated cucumber.
Exactly. And then what I'm gonna do, just to make sure, I'm just gonna sort of
Freshen it up, resize it.
just to make sure it mixes
It's
in
very
there.
compressed, doesn't it? Yeah.
Exactly, because we don't want this to be runny, so that's why we want to take all the liquid
I
out of
see.
your cucumber.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's gonna be firmer. So it's good like that. It's gonna all mix. All like 1 cucumber here.
I love cucumbers. They're amazing. The crunch, and in summer, oh, beautiful.
Pink salt.
Love your
Himalayan
pink salt. Love your Himalayan salt.
So
yes.
healthy. So healthy for you. So we're gonna go, I'm always quite generous on the salt. So
Nice for flavour and seasoning.
lovely. Salt, and we'll go with just, here there's a half a lemon. But I'll just start with half of that because as I said,
So you want to taste it and like
we want it to be
make
firm.
sure-
It's
yeah.
more so the texture. And here we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon of olive oil as well. Not too much, and we can always add a little bit more. And we've got everything. We just have to mix this.
lovely.
This is some fresh dill.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You don't have to put in dill, do you? Like, you like it?
You don't have to
Yeah.
if you don't have it. It just gives it a nice color and it's very tasty. And I know it's part of the traditional Greek tzatziki.
Dill is used in
So,
so
you know,
much
just
Greek
a little tip here for the chopping.
Yeah.
To make it easier, you just scrunch it in a little ball
I
all
see.
together like that. And then with your knife, you can go really
in fine.
and watch your fingers.
Wow.
You use your knuckles, huh? And
As a guide, using knuckles as a
yeah,
guide, so you don't-
knuckles, yeah.
Oh,
Okay, I'll
smell
throw that in.
Wow, and smell the dill.
Oh,
That is
yeah,
so
yeah,
aromatic.
yeah,
Oh, I
yeah.
wish you could smell this.
Oh.
Wow, and just mix that through.
Yeah, just mix all that, and then we could, when we serve it, we can chop a little bit of dill again and add it on top just for the color, and that's it. Now, I'm sure it tastes amazing right now, but it needs to sit for at least 24 hours to really get all those beautiful tastes, you know, to develop the yumminess. Is
Wow.
it the right word?
Yeah, yumminess.
Yumminess.
Well, it's just to allow the flavors to ferment together and really
Yeah.
solidify and turn into something beautiful.
So we'll go and put
How
that away
simple.
in the fridge.
That
Keep
is
it in
so
the fridge.
simple.
That's it.
If you weren't having it with lamb, what else could you have it with?
Oh my gosh, you can use it with just carrot sticks and celery.
Good for cruditates,
yeah,
like as an
you-
entree or
Yeah, or with some biscuits or bread, or it
yum.
goes with any meat as well that
Yeah.
you like to have,
Fish,
or anything.
chicken,
or-
lamb, yeah.
What about for you?
Well, I suppose with
Would you
the tofu, I'm sure it could go with anything as well. Any type of vegetables, great on the side with salad. I think it could go with your legumes, grains.
Anything.
Easy, beautiful. Love the garlic. Yeah.
Tzatziki ready for Christmas.
Opa! Merry Christmas!